spiral separator is used to remove impurities from pepper and other similar berries by gravity. The entire machine construction is in 304 grade stainless steel and is very easy to operate. Process starts with feeding pepper into the hopper, from where pepper passes through inner spiral slide by gravity. Now here, the irregular shaped impurities passes right through inner slide, while the round shaped pepper experience centrifugal force and jumps out to outer spiral slide to continue traveling down by gravity, thus clearing itself from all impurities. Finally, the pepper and impurities are collected out in two separate trays.